Remember this. Well, I have a possible solution that's going to fix this all. We got the front ring gear for the 4.0 and downward 8 models. This is quite different. As you can see, it's got a little step right here. So that should fix our problem, because as you can see, this one's flat. This should fix our issue. We got the ring gear swapped out. Now hopefully this fits in the case now. Come on, please. Yo! It actually works. Let's see if this goes. Yes! Finally, now I can shim this up. And we can move on with this project finally. So there you go. If you're gonna buy X diffs, the rears bolt in no problem. Center will bolt in no problem. All you have to do is, if you buy an X front diff, is you need the older style front ring gear. Got the front diff all shimmed and greased. It's all ready to go. But before I seal it up, I'm just gonna grease around this right here just to make a better seal. Now we're at the point where we can put our adjustable hinge pin braces on. Just like the rear, we're going to start with 0. Just one thing before we put the arms on. Remember when I was unboxing the parts, one of the upgrades I said I was going to do was titanium droop screws? Well, I can't do them. They're listed as compatible with the Losi 8, but they're not. Because as you can clearly see, this droop screw is 3.88 millimeters. The hole is 4.22 millimeters. So these droop screws will not work. We're going to install some brand new hinge pins now. Oh, and one thing I was going to add, one thing I really like about Losi is the arms are already labeled. I was going to label them when I took them apart, but there's no need. They're labeled. All these parts are labeled. We got an L, R, L, R. Gonna get our spindles ready. We're just gonna put our bearings in them. We got our Revolutions Avid bearings. We're gonna put the yellow seals towards the outside and the metal shield into the inside. Show you how to build these up real quick. So we got this round part. I don't even know what this is called. This goes in here. And notice this little cutout here. You can see the hole. So you slide this through here, and then you slide your pin in. Just like that. And what actually captures the pin is the bearing, so don't play with this too much. Just put it right into the hub and just leave it. Alright, two things before we put the front clip on the buggy. We're going to swap out these shock standoffs to the titanium ones, and we're going to put our new upper links on. Front end is now complete. We can finally slap it on the buggy. Alright, I am reinstalling my old, abused, beat up DE Racing bump skid only because it's been a couple weeks since I've searched now, but they're out of stock pretty much everywhere. So until I can find another one, this one's going back on.